acceptance.
Welcome everyone to one of the most largest and best smart contract around the globe. It is totally new and unique concept developed by ambitious, tenacious and hardworking creative team. And our trump card is the auto referral feeder that we call as ARF so that no one gets stuck in the matrix. DLF will be having two matrix, the Auto X3 and the X4. The Auto X3 has global spills, auto upgrade, auto referrals, auto reinvest, and don't forget the ARF system so that you can earn without referring. It is 100% non-working. And the X4 is having that team matrix. And with these two matrix, your earning is guaranteed even without referring. Talking about that ARF system, it will be revealed. We just don't want other people to copy this idea before we launch. But all I can say right now that it will be providing referrals instantly and you will see it working in the testing phase before the launch. And we are not holding any amount in the smart contract, so your money is totally safe. Do you also get excited with free rewards? Let me announce this. 100 DLF token will be given to each member and it will be limited to the first 100,000 members and only 10 million token is available. So it will be completely owned by the members of DLF. The creators are not going to pre-own the token. We have already planned for its value development, so it will be listed in the exchanges. So just hold the token. And the reward doesn't even end here. Look at this, the leaderboard reward program. In this, you will be rewarded for completing milestones such as 25 personal referrals, 50, 100, 250, 500, 750 or 1000. The leaderboard will reset every month and reward will be distributed on monthly basis. This will be a gift from the creator team for your hard work. The Auto X3, you will have 3 places under you. The first cycle goes to auto upgrade and from the next cycle you will start to earn the profit. And in X4, 2 places will be directly under you in your first line and 4 will be on your second line. The first 2 payments goes to your upline, the third, fourth and fifth goes to your wallet 100% and the 6th goes to the reinvest and it goes to your sponsor. DLF is completely decentralized. Decentralized means it has no admins. It will run independently once deployed on the blockchain. It cannot be modified, manipulated or hacked. So you are safe with us. The contract will be verified with public testing before the launch. So DLF has 20 slots each in the DLF X3 and the DLF X4. The X3 will run in auto mode and the X4 you will have to manually upgrade it in a sequential manner and there will be no level expiration. DLF is the most affordable smart contract as the joining is just 100 TRX which is about $2 and it will activate your X3 and X4 matrix at the same time. 50 TRX goes to activate your first slot in the X3 and 50 TRX goes to activate your first slot in the X4. The DLF X3 matrix. ARF feature is kept hidden for now, but you will be able to test it before the launch. You will have 3 places under you in X3. The first cycle will be used to auto upgrade and from the second cycle you will start to earn your profit. The first and second position will go to your wallet completely and the third will be your reinvest. So with Auto X3, no missed income, no overtaking and 100% non-working income. The DLF X4 matrix. It has 2 places in your first line and 4 places in your second line. The first 2 goes to your upline completely. The third, fourth and fifth goes to your wallet 100% and the sixth is your reinvest and it reopens the same matrix for you to earn more. It is a team matrix so you earn from overflows from your upline and downline both. The reinvest. It is the reopening of the same matrix to make you earn unlimited number of times. It will be automatic and it will take place as soon as you fill the last free place in your matrix. The reinvest payment goes to your hire partner 100%. The upgrades in X3 is totally automatic so you don't have to worry about this, but the X4 upgrades is totally manual. So make sure you upgrade to the highest possible slots at the time of launch. Otherwise, there will be a chance that you will miss your profits. The overflows, overtaking, and returns are only in X4. You will receive overflows from your upline and downline both. Overtaking occurs when you buy slots earlier than an upline, and returns means your downlines, your personal referrals, will always follow you in your X4. Now let's talk about how much you can earn. Now this is an estimation, but you can earn over 4 million trons in the X3 and X4 combined. So let's start working right now. As a recommendation, we recommend everyone to buy up to the 6th slot in X4. So join with us to succeed. We have coded the best smart contract, and you know the best part? We will have public testing before the launch to make sure it works. So fund your wallet right now and secure your future with Dollar Future.